Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the tool Matrix 242. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a definition tool. It got the following characteristics. It's a quadrant divided in 4 parts and formed by an axis of ordinates and another of abscisses, collecting 4 variables in which we will integrate different agents of our process. The best time to use this is when we have detected that we are into very different factors that take into account with the design process. Two characteristics, for example, very relevant with the user's interaction with the production or service, or two apparently opposing aspects who coexist and can be challenging itself. It is important to keep in mind that this tool allows you to define variables of the specific situation of an environment or a project. Well, so the Matrix 242 is a very easy tool to use, and it really helps you to define important aspects of the development of the project or the design or any kind of situation when you are not sure what is better and what is not. Before I start explaining, if you like what we do, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, turn on the bell. If you want to give us a tip, you are more than welcome to do that and share our content. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know is you need to have an objective. Okay, why do I want to use this tool? And I say like, yeah, I'm not sure. For example, I'm gonna give you an example of transportation, yeah? What is the best possible transport that I could take? So in this case, we're gonna use our matrix, which is divided in 4 parts. In this, we got something that is more comfortable, something that is less comfortable. And here we have something that is more cheap and something that is less cheaper. So we are going to start with things that are less comfortable but are more cheap. Bicycle, for example, is something that is cheap but is not very comfortable. The autobus is a little bit less cheaper, but is a little bit more comfortable. The motorcycle as well, but it could be a bit more comfortable. Then we could have carpool. The carpool is something that is interesting because it's more comfortable. I have to share a car with more people, but still cheaper than other options. Then we got, for example, the train. The train is something that is more comfortable, but is less cheaper. Then we got, if I have my own car, I could take my own car, but yeah, it's more comfortable, but it's also less cheaper. I could use an airplane. An airplane is way more comfortable, but is less cheaper. And finally, for example, if I want to take a cruise, a ship, or anything like that, it's interesting because yeah, it's comfortable, but not that comfortable, and it's a little bit cheap. I could use this with something different. For example, something that is more safe. If for me safety is something that is very, very important, I could use these metrics with this. So the idea here is that I share all the different options that I have, and after that, we could have results. The result will allow me to take a decision. That is why it's in the definition stage. So as you can see, it's something that is simple, it's something that is easy to use, but it's something that is very helpful. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the development of the matrix, must have analyzed and defined most important components of the need and context. It is important to understand that this tool should be used in analyzed situations with a medium level of complexity or high complexity. If it's something that is very easy to analyze, I strongly recommend to do not use it because it will take you a lot of time. Have enough information is essential to be able to classify it properly. I also recommend that because sometimes I just could have 2 or 3 options, but that is not enough. As you can see here, we got more than 8 options. So in a situation that I could analyze and could be better for the development that I'm making. Please remember, in the axis over here and over here, I could change the politic and the focus that I'm giving it. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every week we got new content. Our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.